Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Model paper number 118. Question number 1 is Mount Blanc is a controversial between countries of France and Italy. A Mount Blanc is a controversial between France and Italy. Next one, which of the following countries won the World Cup football? That is Spain. World Telecommunication Day is observed every year on 17th May. World Telecommunication Day is observed every year on 17th May. Who was John Howard? John Howard is the Prime Minister of Australia. John Howard is the Prime Minister of Australia. Which sea is the only one that separates a city Istanbul into two continents? That is Sea of Marmara. Which sea is only one that separates a city Istanbul into two continents? That is Sea of Marmara. Next one, Victoria Cross is the highest military award for British government. Victoria Cross is the highest military award for British government. Capital of Ghana. Capital of Ghana is Accra. Ghana is Accra. Next one, who proposed the theory of continental drift? That is by Wegener. Who proposed the theory of continental drift? That is by Wegener. What is the national bird of China? That is red-crowned crane. What is the national bird of China? That is red-crowned crane. Next one, currency of Mexico is peso. The currency of Mexico is peso. What would describe the usual temperature 2000 million years ago? That is freezing. The 2000 million years ago temperature is freezing. The former Soviet Union sent its forces in Afghanistan in 1979. The former Soviet Union sent its forces in Afghanistan in 1979. Who was Alija Izbotic? That is president of Bosnia. दोबारा सुने, who was Alija Izbotic? That is president of Bosnia Herzegovina. Okay, Bosnia Herzegovina. Next one, third Israeli aggression against Lebanon started on 12 July 2006. Third Israeli aggression against Lebanon started in 12 July 2006. Who undertook the Long March of 1934? That is Chinese Communist. Who undertook the Long March of 1934? That is Chinese Communist. Famous poet of English Shakespeare was born in 1564. Under the Mountbatten Plan of 1947, the people of NWFP and Salihar district of Assam, दोबारा सुने, NWFP के people and Salihar district of Assam were given the right to decide throughout a palisade whether they wish join to Pakistan or India. Okay, इन दोनों को दिया गया था राइट कि आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं इंडिया को या पाकिस्तान को. Who amongst the following was not the member of Kabina mission which visited India in 1946? That is Lord Mountbatten. Who amongst the following was not the member of Kabina mission which visited India in 1946? That is Lord Mountbatten. Who the future status of Bengal and Punjab was to be decided under 3rd June plan? That is by majority vote of assembly member. दोबारा सुने, how the future status of Bengal and Punjab was to be decided under 3rd June plan? वो किस तरह डिसाइड किया गया? वैसे डिसाइड किया गया by majority vote of assembly member. Okay, next one, how the future status of Sindh was to be decided under 3rd June plan? That is also by majority vote of assembly member. Okay, ये दोनों तरीके majority vote of assembly member के जरिए. Next one, third battle of पानीपत. पहली पानीपत की जंग 1526 में, दूसरी 1556 में और तीसरी हुई 1761 में. ओके, थर्ड बैटल ऑफ पानीपत वाज 1761. Who was the viceroy during that time? Mr. Attlee of England declared the British intention to transfer power of Indian. That is Lord Wavell. दोबारा सुने, who was the viceroy of subcontinent at the time? Mr. Attlee of England declared the British intention to transfer power to Indian. That is Lord Wavell. Death of Shah Waliullah. Shah Waliullah 1703 में पैदा हुए और 1763 में आपकी वफात हुई. शाह वलीउल्लाह की आप 1703 में पैदा हुए और 1763 में आपकी वफात हुई. नेक्स्ट वन आएगा, सैयद अहमद शहीद was murdered at बालाकोट in 1831. सैयद अहमद शहीद बालाकोट में शहीद किए गए कब? 1831 को. नेक्स्ट वन आएगा, Zahir Shah ruled Afghanistan from 1933 till 1973 when he was overthrown by, that is Muhammad Dawood. दोबारा सुने, Zahir Shah ruled Afghanistan from 1933 till 1973 when he was overthrown by Muhammad Dawood. Next one, Kazakhstan observed its Independence Day every year on 16 December. Kazakhstan observed its Day of Independence every year on 16 December. Which of the following countries is a landlocked country? That is Bolivia. Bolivia is a landlocked country. दोबारा सुने, which of the following is a landlocked country? That is Bolivia. Malabar Coast is found in what country? That is in India. Malabar Coast is found in what country? That is in India. The country of Ghana was formerly known by the what name? That is Gold Coast. The country of Ghana was formerly known by what name? That is Gold Coast. World Press Freedom Day is observed every year on 3rd May. World Press Freedom Day is observed every year on 3rd May. Who was Zana Gusmao? Zana Gusmao is the president of East Timor. Who was Zana Gusmao? That is president of East Timor. Name the cricket player who has made maximum number of test century. That is Tendulkar, Sachin Tendulkar from India. दोबारा सुने, name the cricket player who has made maximum number of test century. That is Sachin Tendulkar. CIX. CIX is the Roman number for which number? That is 109. CIX for 109. Name the largest Australian bird with the red bill. That is black swan. Name the large Australian bird with the red bill. That is black swan. How many balls are used in a game of billiard? That is 22. Which country has the world's largest fishing industry? That is China. And the number of largest user of internet is also from China. Next one, Liverpool is naming its airport in honor of murdered ex-brutal John Lennon. What was the airport former name? That is Speak. दोबारा सुने, Liverpool is naming its airport in honor of murdered ex-brutal John Lennon. What was the airport former name? That is Specky. Next one, what is the nationality of the author Roald Dahl? That is Welsh. He is from Welsh. दोबारा सुने, what is the nationality of author Roald Dahl? That is the Welsh. Next one, in Alfred Hitchcock Psycho, what was used as a blood to terrify audience in a famous shower scene? That is chocolate sauce. दोबारा सुने, in Alfred Hitchcock Psycho, what was used as a blood to terrify audience in famous show scene? That is chocolate sauce. Next one, which river in Africa second longest river is located? That is Congo. Which river in Africa second longest river? That is Congo. New England consists of 6 states in northern USA. Which state is not part of New England? That is Maryland. New England consists of 6 states in northern USA. And which state is not a part of New England? That is Maryland. Who was the Belgian author and artist who created the cartoon character of Tintin? That is by Georges Remy. दोबारा सुने, who was the Belgian author and artist who created the cartoon character of Tintin? That is by Georges Remy. Name the largest venomous snake in the world. That is King Cobra. सबसे जहरीला सांप कौन सा होता है? किंग कोबरा दुनिया में. नेक्स्ट वन, ग्लासगो सिटी इज फेमस फॉर बिगेस्ट शिप बिल्डिंग सेंटर. Glasgow city is famous for biggest shipbuilding center. Next one, the blue whale is the world's largest mammal, but what type of animal is the world's smallest mammal? That is bat. Which author created Sherlock Holmes? That is Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. Which author created Sherlock Holmes? That is Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. Next, goulash is the national dish of which country? That is Hungary. Goulash is the national dish of which country? That is Hungary. Name the author of Ivanhoe. Name the author of Ivanhoe. That is Sir Walter Scott. God gave Musa the 10 commandments on Mount of Sinai. God gave Musa the 10 commandments on Mount of Sinai. Next one, name the largest sea in the world. That is South China Sea. Which explorer discovered the island of Jamaica? That is Christopher Columbus. Which explorer discovered the island of Jamaica? That is Christopher Columbus. Through which country does the river Mania flow? That is Madagascar. Through which country does the river Mania flows? That is Madagascar. When the Athenian army defeated the invading Persian who ran 26 miles to Athens to announce the victory? That is Fadipides. Next one, which of the following pass connect Peshawar with Chitral? That is Malakand Pass. Which of the following pass connects Peshawar with Chitral? That is Malakand Pass. In which district of Punjab Kallar Kahar Lake is situated? That is in Chakwal. Satpara Lake is situated in Baltistan. Satpara Lake is situated in Baltistan, while Sichuan Glacier is also located in Baltistan. Which of the following suspicious metal is found in Dera Ghazi Khan? That is uranium. The first gas field discovered in Pakistan in 1952 that was Sui. Kyoda is the world famous minerals of salt. Two-tile and natural gas field is located in Punjab. Two-tile and natural gas field is located in Punjab. Ghulam Muhammad Barrage is constructed on Darya Sindh on Indus. Warsak project is the Pakistan oldest project is in Darya Kabul, River Kabul. Varsak project, Varsak is a dam. Varsak dam is located on Darya Kabul. On which river Mangla dam is built, that is Jhelum. On which river Mangla dam is built, that is on Jhelum. Which is the oldest hydroelectric project in Pakistan, that is Malakandaragi. दोबारा सुने, विच इज़ द ओल्डेस्ट हाइड्रोइलेक्ट्रिक प्रोजेक्ट इन पाकिस्तान, दैट इज़ मालाकंडरगी. सुलेमानकी हेडवर्क इज कंस्ट्रक्टेड ऑन द रिवर सतलज. सुलेमानकी हेडवर्क इज कंस्ट्रक्टेड ऑन द रिवर ऑफ सतलज. द बादशाह डैम on Indus River is being constructed in Gilgit and Baltistan. दोबारा सुने, द बादशाह डैम on Indus River is being constructed in Gilgit, Baltistan. PIA was established in 1955, while the Pakistan oldest airline is Orient Airline, while Pakistan first private airline is Hajweri Airline. Next one, what is the total length of Makran Coastal Highway which is constructed with the help of China, that is 653 km. दोबारा सुने, what is the total length of Makran Coastal Highway which is constructed with the help of China, that is 653 km. Swan and Harrow are famous river of Pothohar Plateau. Swan and Harrow are famous rivers of Pothohar Plateau. Which river is called Nile of Pakistan, that is Darya Sindh. It contains 3180 km. Name the longest river of Pakistan is also Indus. In which province of Pakistan the desert of Thar is located, that is Sindh. Thar is in Punjab, while Thar is in Sindh. K2 is also known as Goodwin Ashton, that is located in Karakoram range. Next one, which name means double life, that is amphibious. Which name means double life, that is amphibious. German attack on Poland was the immediate cause of World War II. It is estimated that 85 million people are died in World War II. दोबारा सुनने, जर्मन अटैक ऑन पोलैंड वाज द इमीडिएट काज ऑफ वर्ल्ड वार 2 और सबसे ज़्यादा नुकसान है जापान को हुआ वर्ल्ड वार 2 में. 1 पाउंड इज इक्वल टू 0.454 किलोग्राम. 1 पाउंड इज इक्वल टू 0.45 किलोग्राम. 1 ounce is equal to 28.35 gram. Next one, which United Nations body deal with population problem, that is UNFPA. Which United Nations body deals with the population problem, that is UNFPA. The working language of UNESCO is English and French. The working language of UNESCO is English and French. Headquarter of International Forum on Globalization, IFG, is located in USA. Headquarter of International Forum on Globalization is located in USA. Who is the author of Revolution in Pakistan, that is Herbert Feldman. Who is the author of the Revolution in Pakistan, that is a book name, that is Herbert Feldman. Which of the following is concerned with the description and mapping of main feature of the universe, that is cosmography. Cosmography is concerned with description and mapping. Next one, Damascus situated on the bank of river Barada river. Damascus is situated on the bank of river Barada. Paris is situated on the bank of river Seine river. Paris is situated on the bank of river Seine river. Who discovered Lake Victoria, that is Captain John Speke. Who discovered Lake Victoria, that is Captain John Speke. Ataturk Dam is located in Turkey. Next one, who wrote the book Great Tragedy, that is Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Next one, who is the writer of Political Force in Pakistan from 1947 to 1959, that is Cath Collard. Cath Collard. दोबारा सुने, who is the writer of Political Force in Pakistan from 1947 to 1959, that is Cath Collard. Who is the author of Gandhi and Stalin, that is Lois Fisher. The author of Gandhi and Stalin is Lois Fisher. On 20 July 1969, 2 American scientists landed on moon of Earth. Next one, who was the first Polish in space, that is Mirsola Hermazvi. दोबारा सुने, who was the first Polish in space, that is Mirsola Hermazvi. Thanks.